You've got a car with wired CarPlay or Android Auto. And every single time you get in, you're fumbling for a cable. That's exactly why wireless adapters exist. And today, I'll break down the top 5 best wireless CarPlay adapters you can get right now. We'll start with the best budget pick and work our way up to the absolute best. As always, links are in the description. Let's head right in. We begin at number 5 with the Shrandi 2-in-1. And for a budget pick, this one makes a solid case for itself. Shrandi didn't try to overcomplicate it here. What you're getting is a thumb-sized adapter that hides away neatly in your USB or USB-C port. It's lightweight, it's discreet, and it doesn't clutter your dashboard at all. This is a straightforward upgrade tool that just works. It converts both wired CarPlay and Android Auto into wireless in one device. That's a huge win if you switch between an iPhone and an Android phone, or if your household has both. The setup is genuinely simple. You plug it in, pair your phone once, and that's it. From there, it auto-reconnects every time you start your car. No apps to download, no drivers to wrestle with. You simply turn the key, and your phone connects automatically. It handles navigation, music streaming, hands-free calls, and voice commands without issues. Maps, Spotify, Apple Music, and phone calls all transfer over smoothly, and it works with the vast majority of factory-wired CarPlay vehicles. iPhones running iOS 10 and up are covered. Android phones on version 11 and newer work too. Now, here's a heads up. This adapter requires your car to already have wired CarPlay or Android Auto built in. It won't magically add those features if your car never had them. Some users also report occasional Wi-Fi conflicts with other devices like dashcams. And every now and then, a startup error message pops up on the screen. The good news is that usually fixes itself after you drive a few feet. Still, the Shrandi 2-in-1 is one of the most reliable options in the budget class. It's simple, it's dependable, and it gets the job done without any fuss. Next, we've got the Jemluse wireless CarPlay adapter. And this one stands out for a reason that's easy to overlook. For an adapter that sits at a budget-friendly level, the Jemluse packs in a surprising amount of convenience. It's compact, it's discreet, and the gray finish blends into most car interiors without drawing attention. So, what's inside? Well, you're looking at a dedicated wireless CarPlay converter. It takes your factory-wired CarPlay system and cuts the cable completely. The setup is plug-and-play, no apps or drivers needed. You just plug it into your USB or USB-C port, pair your iPhone, and you're set. The auto-connect is fast too. Once paired, it reconnects in seconds every time you start the car. But here's the part that really stands out. This adapter supports multiple iPhones seamlessly. That means families or shared vehicles can switch between phones without repairing every time. It's a rare feature at this level, and it's incredibly practical. Performance is solid for daily driving. Navigation, calls, music, and Siri all work with minimal lag. The connection stays stable during most commutes, and the audio quality holds up well. That said, it's not without its quirks. This one is strictly for iPhone users. There's no Android Auto support here. And since it requires an existing wired CarPlay system, it won't work in cars that never had CarPlay to begin with. Some users also notice occasional hiccups when switching between multiple phones. Yet, the multi-user support and stable wireless link make it one of the most practical adapters for everyday iPhone drivers. It's affordable, it's compact, and it covers way more bases than you'd expect. Halfway through the list, we've got the MSXTTLY 2-in-1. And this is where things shift from basic to genuinely capable. The design tells you everything you need to know up front. It's a mini USB dongle with a compact black build that doesn't clutter your dashboard. The copper USB connector helps with conductivity and heat dissipation. That's the kind of detail you don't always see at this level. Here's how it breaks down. This adapter converts both wired CarPlay and Android Auto into wireless. It's powered by a built-in 5G chip and Bluetooth 5.3. That combination delivers smooth, low-latency streaming between your phone and your car's display. The auto reconnect happens in about 5 to 10 seconds once paired. And if you need to switch phones, one-click device switching makes it easy. It handles maps, music, calls, and voice commands without breaking a sweat. The wireless link stays stable during navigation and streaming. And because it's plug-and-play, setup takes about a minute. Compatibility is broad across most car brands and models from 2017 onward. iPhones on iOS 10 and up work fine. Android phones running version 11 and newer are covered too. Now, this adapter isn't built for every vehicle. Tesla and BMW models are specifically excluded here. Some users also report occasional audio lag during music playback. And like the others, it requires your car to already have wired CarPlay or Android Auto installed from the factory. But for drivers who want a budget-friendly wireless upgrade across both iPhone and Android, the MSXTTLY 2-in-1 delivers the performance and compatibility to handle it without compromise. And then, we've got the Carlinkit Mini Ultra 3, where the main story is simply its performance. Carlinkit is one of the most established names in this space. They've been making CarPlay adapters for years, and the Mini Ultra 3 reflects that experience. The build is compact yet durable. It's a mini dongle that hides away neatly in your port without sticking out awkwardly. Carlinkit's design keeps your interior looking clean, which matters more than people admit. You're getting dual conversion for both wired CarPlay and Android Auto. The chipset is optimized for high-speed wireless transmission. That means near-zero lag in navigation, calls, and media playback. The boot speed is one of the fastest among adapters in this category. You start your car, and within moments, your phone is connected and ready. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairing work together for stable streaming. Touch responsiveness is excellent too. Screen interactions feel immediate, without that annoying delay that cheaper adapters sometimes show. Multi-device switching is supported, so swapping between different phones is hassle-free. It supports Apple Maps, Google Maps, Spotify, Apple Music, hands-free calls, and both Siri and Google Assistant. The performance holds up during long drives and daily commutes alike, and it works across most factory-wired CarPlay and Android Auto systems from 2017 onward. This is built for drivers who want top-tier speed and reliability. If you value responsiveness and seamless connectivity, this adapter earns its spot near the top. Now, it does sit at a higher level compared to the budget picks, and it still requires your car to have OEM wired CarPlay or Android Auto from the start. It's not available everywhere either, depending on your region. Yet, the premium level speed and rock-solid stability make this one of the most practical choices for drivers who want a flawless wireless experience. It's a versatile adapter that enthusiasts trust. And finally, we have the KUKIHO 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay adapter. This is the one that earns the top spot, and it's not particularly close. From the outside, it's a compact lead gray unit with a metal edge shell. That metal construction improves heat dissipation and durability in a way that plastic adapters simply can't match. It looks understated, but what's inside is anything but. Let me walk you through what makes this special. You get dual conversion for both wired CarPlay and Android Auto. The dual-core processor runs on 2.4G and 5G dual-band Wi-Fi. That means smooth, low-latency performance for navigation, calls, and streaming. The Auto Reconnect remembers your device and connects automatically every time you start the car. The setup is a simple three-step process. Plug it in, pair your phone, and play. It includes a USB-A to USB-C converter, so it fits different port types without extra purchases. And it works with the vast majority of factory-wired CarPlay vehicles. Both iPhone and Android are supported. But here's what really sets it apart. This adapter supports split-screen mode, which lets you view multiple apps at once on your car's display. It also handles online firmware updates. That means the adapter can improve over time as new software rolls out. That's genuinely impressive for a device this small. Performance across all features is stable. Charging, streaming, navigation, and voice commands all run at the same time without compromise. The audio quality matches what you'd expect from a wired connection, and it holds up even on bumpy roads and sharp turns. This is built for drivers who want a premium, stable wireless upgrade without cutting corners. If you're tired of cables and you want something that feels like it belongs in your car long-term, this is the adapter to beat. Now, it does require your car to already have wired CarPlay or Android Auto from the factory. It won't add those features to a car that never had them. And since it's a newer option, the user feedback pool is still growing. But for professionals, daily commuters, and power users who want the best wireless CarPlay and Android Auto experience in one compact device, the KUKIHO 2-in-1 is the complete package. It's essentially a premium upgrade that fits in your palm. Thanks for sticking around. For more content like this, hit that subscribe button on our channel. Click the bell icon too, so you'll get notified every time we drop a new video at FlexiViews.